Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those who want to find the serial number to their drone. It's actually right here in the drone. It's hard to see, but if you look, whoops, don't break your stuff. If you look under there, just take your camera, open up your camera app. We'll just slide this over here so that it works out just right for you. And you shine it in, right? And as you can see, right there, that barcode will generate your serial number. And then when we click it, it opens up in a browser. And then we can select it from the bottom or the top. And then when you select it, whoops, you want to select all and then cut it. You can either text it to yourself or do whatever you want. Put it in your notes. If your notes are synced to from your phone and computer, then it will just automatically generate when you open up your notes app. But that's pretty much it. And we make these videos so you don't have to. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.